Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make a Tsunami Doll Cake. Very red, very glittery, and very yum. Start with 200 grams of white chocolate buttons and pour on 100 milliliters of hot, heavy cream. Mix together until all the chocolate has dissolved. And then mix in some red food colour. We want it nice and bright. Add some strawberries to a plate and place a dome-shaped vanilla cake on top. Then stick your cardboard doll cutout in the middle using a cocktail stick. Place a cookie cutter over her head and start pouring in your melted red coloured chocolate and red edible glitter. Then simply remove the cookie cutter and let it drip down the sides. And it looks just like a sparkly party dress for your doll. And there you have it, Tsunami Doll Cake. Absolutely delicious. Now simply dig in and enjoy. See you next time for more Nyam Nyam recipes.